Let us protect the truth. Protektahan natin ang katotohanan. Ipaglaban natin ang tunay na pagbabago. At bawiin natin muli ang ating
But
bayan.
I couldn't breathe without your arm inhaling. Thought I couldn't see without your perfect vision.
At meron pa. As in, parang hindi pa talaga. Oh, eto yung Dodong Gang. Dodong Alcala, Dodong Pina, Dodong Bunal, Dodong Tarong, Dodong Barok. Alam mo, Barok, nasa comics yun.
You also have to be more proactive. You have to be 10 steps ahead. You have to, know kung ano yung mangyayari.
Kahit maliit na bagay na maisishare ko sa mga tao, malaking bagay na po yun para sa akin.
So, kailangan kasama yun eh. Pag tinatrain mo sila, pag nagkakamali sila, natututo silang umadmit ng pagkakamali nila. Importante yun eh.
Sa programa under the leadership of Speaker Martin Romualdez. For example, itong care program na to, bago to. We never had this in the past.
News, all the noise in social media na sometimes hindi mo na maintindihan kung ano ba talaga ang sadya nito. Bakit kailangan natin, bakit napakalawak at napakaingay ng mga fake news nito.
Tapos magtataka ka, ba't ganito buhay ko? Paano Facebook ka ng Facebook? Cellphone ka ng cellphone. Sa palagay nyo ba, si Michelangelo, sumikat ako nung kinabukasan, paggising ko, sikat na ako.
Take note, this is my first time to be a COS. I was a consultant before. So, nakita kong change within 6 years. Mabilis yung change and nakakatulong po sa ating lahat.
We should always be consistent in our messaging, right? Whether Ilocano, Bicolano, Tagalog, Visayas, Ilonggo, iisa ang mensahe kahit iba-ibang dialects.
Ang lalim ni Sir, make call. Tama yan, Sir. Tama. Ito lang ang discipline namin sa philosophy o sa theology. Bago mo palalimin, tignan mo yung pinaka-practical na sagot. Tama ka, Sir, ha? Pero si Ma'am, practical. Sabi niya, kasi siya may nahabol.
Lahat naman ng bagay may dahilan, di ba? Ano ang sabi ni Lady Gaga? A million reasons. But just one good one to stay. Ayan.
We hope that etong community na to will be the first one to defend how it actually changed and improved the quality of life of our fellow Filipinos.
Now the question is, are we willing to use what we have? To use our own circle of influence to spread the truth? Tayong lahat magkakaisa, we will work together to spread the truth. I think that will be very significant to really fight disinformation and fake news.